go to 2. This is the elevator at Lakeline Mall in Austin, Texas. Coming down?
Oh, wait.
No, okay. This is a Schindler 400A elevator. The very first elevator I ever filmed. We are back at level 1. Now we're gonna go back up to 2. And we're gonna watch the numbers. The door close button doesn't work. Now we're gonna go back down to 1. Again, door closed. Now we're gonna get a cab view. This elevator has not changed a bit since I first filmed it in 2012. Sorry about that, guys. We're not gonna watch it close up due to the rushes. That's it.